Hey YouTube, I'm going to show how I fixed a rattling noise on a heavy-duty KitchenAid machine that was making some noise whenever we were using it. First, I opened this back piece here, which is being held with this screw over here. And as you can see in the back here, there are two nuts. This one, and that's the second one. In my case, I found that one of them was actually completely removed, so you need to tighten those, and I'm using some glue, Gorilla Glue, to make it last a little bit longer than it did, and that's how I fixed it. So right now, when I try it, it runs without any rattling. So again, these are the nuts that needs to be tightened. That's one of them. And the second one is on the opposite side. As always, you have to remove the power before you work on any electric machine. Thank you.